Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you one of the easiest but most powerful tricks to spot online scams: how to hover over a link to check if it's fake or dangerous before you click it. Let's start with the basics. Whenever you get a link, whether it's in an email, a text message, or a website, never click right away. Instead, hover your mouse over the link without clicking. When you do this, your browser will display the full destination URL, usually in the bottom left corner of your screen. This lets you see where the link is actually taking you. Sometimes scammers make a link look like it's going to a trusted website, but the real URL underneath is completely different. Now, while you're looking at that URL, check for HTTPS at the beginning. The S stands for secure. That means the connection between you and the website is encrypted. You'll usually see a small padlock icon in the address bar too. While this doesn't guarantee a website is 100% safe, it's a good sign that it's legitimate. Next, look closely for misspellings or strange characters. Scanners often create fake domains that look almost identical to real ones. For example, g00gle.com instead of google.com. These tricks are designed to fool you into clicking without noticing small changes. Also, analyze the domain structure. The main domain, like amazon.com or paypal.com, is what you should focus on. Be cautious if you see lots of extra words or subdomains, such as login, security, amazon.verify.com. The real Amazon website would never use that format. As web expert Itamarheim explains, the structure of a URL can tell you a lot about its legitimacy. A careful look is often all it takes to spot a phishing attempt before it happens. So remember, hover, inspect, and think before you click. That small habit can save you from a big headache later on. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick cybersecurity tips. Stay safe online.